Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a street name on Google Maps. All right, it's pretty easy to do. Let's go ahead and try it near my home right here. All right, let's say for example, this particular crossing right here, I would like to name it. So what we're gonna do is just tap on this three lines right here. You can do this on your phone as well. All right, again, just tap on the three lines. Now, once you're in here, you're gonna want to tap on edit the map. All right, tap on it and just select add or fix a road. Again, click on it. And as you can see, it will show us a satellite view of the map. Now what we're going to do is just zoom in. As you can see here, this is my home right here. So what we're going to do again is just select the particular road. All right. Once you have it selected, just go ahead and tick on the road name and to add the road name. Like for example, San Juanico Ville shortcut. All right, as this place right here is a shortcut to this particular ville right here. All right, or subdivision. As you can see, we have just renamed the particular road, and as you can see, San Juanico Ville shortcut. Once done, just hit on done. You'll see your edits right here. Again, just hit on submit. All done. The roads you add and fix can make a big difference for others. What now? To keep maps accurate, all edits go through a review process. All right, you can always check your edits to see the status. Now, this procedure usually takes less than 15 days. All right, when I say 15, because they deal with a lot of data submissions and corrections. So there could be a delay in response or update in the Google Maps itself. Once a correction has been approved, it usually takes 2 business days for it to propagate all over Google systems and to appear on Google.Maps. All right, and as you can see here, we just received an email. Thank you for sharing your knowledge. Edits are checked for accuracy by our moderation system before being published. Timelines can vary. All right, and that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.